Looking for Cactus handbags and wallets for the holidays? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, Bucket Style. Solid color and stylish. Shoulder strap and handle straps, convenient to use. Made of high-quality canvas material. Soft and comfortable hand feeling, durable to use. Lightweight, large capacity, can store lots of things, by Cactus. Number 2, Bag Shape, Cross Square. Bag Trend Style, Small Square Bag. Opening Method, Lock, by Cactus. Number 3, the bag is made of polyester lining, cotton lining and flannel. High strength, no brushing pilling. The glue is impermeable. Can't be too soft. The best artificial leather is used in the wallet. Very durable, scratch resistant and toughness are very good. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.